If you love baking bread, you know that a good proofing basket can make all the difference in achieving that perfect rise, shape, and texture. With so many options available, choosing the right proofing basket can be overwhelming. We've rounded up the 5 best bread proofing baskets to help you craft artisan-style loaves with ease. Let's dive into the top choices for enhancing your bread making experience. Number 5. Bread proofing basket set of 2 8.5-inch round dough proofing bowls with liners, perfect for home sourdough bakers baking. About this item: perfect home proofing baskets for sourdough bread baking. Size 8.5 inch D x 3.5 H. Sold in set of 2, made of nature rattan and comply with EU food standard. Perfect for making artisan bread. Hand wash with warm water and keep dry after clean. Perfect gift for sourdough bread bakers. Our bread proofing basket set can be used for a variety of bread recipes, including sourdough, French bread, and more. You can start making delicious bread easily at home. Package included: set of 2 8.5-inch round bread dough bowls, 2 PCS bread proofing basket liners. Number 4. Saint Germain Bakery Premium Round Bread Banneton Basket with Liner, perfect broadform proofing basket for making beautiful bread. 10-inch oval. About this item: excellent craftsmanship, beautiful handmade using natural rattan, absolutely free from dye and free from chemicals. Made with love and care by a small family business in Vietnam. Splinter-free, smooth and non-stick. Carefully crafted to always expose smooth surface. Easy cleaning. Use with the provided cloth liner if desired. Without the liner, your banneton basket still does not need much cleaning. 10-inch accommodating size. At 10-inch, it is the perfect size for baking a medium to large loaf. Top performance guarantee. We guarantee the basket will perform exceedingly well and enable you to bake beautiful breads. Number 3. Rourke Bread Banneton Proofing Basket Set. 9-inch round 10-inch oval cane sourdough baskets with dough whisk bread, lame dough scraper, bowl scraper, silicone brush, sourdough bread baking supplies. About this item: natural rattan cane material. Our banneton bread proofing baskets are made of Indonesian natural rattan cane, which are smooth, no splinter, non-stick, no chemical odor, and not easy to mold. Moreover, they could perfectly wick moisture away from the dough surface. 2 shapes proofing basket set. You will get a 10L x 5.7 W x 3.5 H inches oval proofing basket and a 9L x 9 W x 3 H inches round banneton basket with washable linen liner to make loaves simultaneously in different shapes. Easy to clean after using. The smooth surface of the rattan cane allows you to remove any excess flour from inside of the bread baskets easily after using. Easy to use for any recipe. After fully dusting, the dough will easily stay in shape and slip out smoothly onto baking. Number 2. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket. Banneton Basket Set of 2 9-inch sourdough proofing basket round proofing bowls, handmade rattan baskets and liners. Artisan sourdough bread making kit. About this item: perfect for the baker in your home. You will be impressed with our bread proofing baskets' quality and performance. Dimpla sourdough proofing baskets are made of high quality, natural rattan cane that allows for excellent airflow and moisture absorption, resulting in perfectly proof bread. Great sourdough essential, lightweight and very easy to clean and store. You can coat with flour and place your dough, and then use the liner as a cover while your dough proofed. Friendly to sourdough bread new maker. As a novice in the world of sourdough baking, you will find these banneton bread bowls for aspiring sourdough bakers. It is easy to use and clean. Dimpla banneton proofing baskets make bread baking a joy. Our banneton basket is no splinters or stapling visible, no strange. Number 1. Super Baking Banneton Bread Proofing Basket. Sourdough bread baking supplies. Round 9-inch sourdough starter kit. Proofing basket for bread baking. bread making supplies tools, banneton basket gift set. About this item: proof, bake, share your sourdough bread. Create delicious sourdough loaves with the Super Baking Banneton Kit. Gift the love of baking. Featuring a high-quality A-grade rattan banneton and a complete toolkit, this set is the perfect gift, empowering both seasoned bakers. 9 tools for sourdough bread making. The Super Baking Bread Baking Kit includes everything from a proofing basket to brochures, perfect for creating warm, inviting loaves that fill your home with the cozy aroma of fresh bread during the holiday season. Baking made simple. Turn the daunting into the doable with beginner-friendly guide and recipes. You'll receive a detailed sourdough guide and a delightful recipe book to help you master the art of sourdough bread from your very first try.